Hey, let's check out some prep for sod. This is a custom landscape for integral design and build. And here's Rick working away to do some final grading. So first we ended up stripping out some existing soil, which was very compacted, not draining very well, not as much sand as we'd like in there. So strip it out, get rid of the existing sod, and replace everything with some nice, well-draining soil. First, we made sure we roughed in for irrigation, making it real easy for our irrigation tech to come in and install. And we're going to bring in some nice, fresh soil after everything's stripped. This lawn mix is really a nice material to work with. Levels off really nicely. There's no little clumps or anything. So really lucky to have a solid soil source in our local area here. And we're going to move everything by machines when possible. So right off the truck into a track machine, right into place. And we're setting up our string lines, making sure that we have our minimum slope. So typically we're looking for around 2% for a lawn area. And we're going to set it up rake width tall so that we can use a landscape rake underneath the strings and start to level it off in sections. Making sure that we have a certain amount of compaction is important. So in our raking process, we're actually compacting a little bit as we go and leveling, as well as putting the final touch on to make sure it's well rolled and ready to start laying some sod, which I'll show you in the next video. Looking forward to having this landscape complete for the spring here, getting ready for a full-on summer so our clients can enjoy it. Sod install coming at you soon.